In this video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about the brand new FLOLAB Nano Armor 3 for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. This is my most anticipated screen protector, and we're going to be going through the installation. We're going to see how it fits, how it feels, how it works with the in-display fingerprint sensor. And you're going to want to stick around until the end of the video because I will be doing a drop and a scratch test to see how durable the screen protector is. And I promise you by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not the screen protector is right for you. So let's get started. So this screen protector does have an antimicrobial coating. It's smudge and scratch resistant. It's crystal clear, and it also comes with a lifetime limited warranty. So it's got a really nice presentation. It comes with an installation guide, some wipes. We also have a rear camera protector and 2 tempered glass screen protectors and 2 giant dust stickers. So the first thing we need to do is to thoroughly clean up our screen with the included alcohol wipes. Then we'll dry off the screen. Then we'll remove any dust with our dust sticker. Then take your installation guide, making sure the top portion goes towards the camera on your phone. We'll just press this into place. Then take your screen protector, making sure that this little piece here is going towards the top of your phone with the camera. We'll peel this off. Then just place this down inside the guide. And it should start to adhere to your phone, but you can start helping it out with your finger. And then just lift up on the guide. And we are all set. See if there's any bubbles. I don't see any. It looks, actually we have just a little bit right up here we can get out with our finger. And other than that, it looks pretty good. Give it a little wipe down. And there we go. Looks really nice. This is a full coverage screen protector, so it does cover the camera on your phone. There's also a slight gap around the edge of the screen for case compatibility. We'll test that out as well. As far as touch, super smooth. Just like the glass, if not smoother than the glass that's on the phone. Very nice. As you can see, it is crystal clear. Touch working perfectly fine. No issues there. Now let's take a look at the screen as if we were looking at it through polarized sunglasses. So you can see there is a slight rainbow effect. It's not horrible at all. And if you're looking at the screen dead on, you really don't see it. It's just when you start to look at the screen from other angles that you actually see the rainbow effect. So let's test out the smudge resistance. So there is some smudges on the screen. I don't know if you guys can see that there. But because the screen is so smooth, you can very easily just wipe those away with minimal effort. Good as new. Now, I don't know if you guys could tell, but the screen protector does have a black border around it, but it doesn't seem to affect the screen at all. It pretty much comes right up to the edge of the screen, so you should not have any issues, even though there is that black border. You're not going to see any obstructions on the screen. So now I haven't re-registered my fingerprint, but I want to see how well it works without having to do that. And it seems to be working just fine, even though I have not re-registered my fingerprints. Yeah. So if you are having problems with the fingerprint sensor, definitely recommend re-registering your fingerprints after you install the screen protector, and also turn up the screen sensitivity underneath the display in your settings. So I will tell you that I just re-centered my screen protector. I lifted it up off the screen and repositioned it because there was too much of a gap on the bottom here versus the top. So I kind of wanted to get it more uniform, and now it looks perfect. So there is a slight bigger gap on the top of the phone for its speaker, but around the edges there does seem to be a more uniform gap, so it should be case friendly. So now let's test out our case. And the screen protector seems to come right up to the edge of the case here. There's only that gap for the speaker on the top and maybe a little bit on some of the sides, but there's no lifting, no bubbles. It seems to fit perfectly fine. So I'm really liking everything about this screen protector so far. Now let's move on to the scratch and the drop test. One other thing I wanted to bring to your attention is because the screen protector does have a black border on it, it goes along the black borders on the phone. And if you install the screen protector and you look at your phone and you look down in the corners, you can see that it's like miscut. It's not perfectly rounded off. That's the phone. And my phone does not have a tempered glass screen protector on it. So it has nothing to do with the tempered glass. It's actually on the phone itself. So we're going to start off our test by dropping a 2.4 ounce steel metal ball at a starting height of 2 feet. If the screen protector doesn't crack, we'll move it up foot by foot until it eventually does. So here we go, 2 feet. 2 feet. So this screen protector lasted up until a 2-foot drop. Now let's move on to the scratch test. So regular tempered glass starts to scratch around a Mohs hardness number 6. So we're going to start off with a number 5. Then we'll move on to a number 6. And then a number 7. So if we take a closer look, you can see there are no scratches at the number 5. There are slight at a number 6 and about the same at a number 7. So scratch resistance seems to be pretty standard for tempered glass. So installation for the screen protector was really easy. I did readjust due to my own error. It also does seem to be case friendly. It lasted up until a 2-foot drop, and scratch resistance seems to be pretty standard for tempered glass. So now let's install the rear camera protector. Now, interesting enough, this is not a glass protector. It's got cutouts perfectly for all the lenses and LEDs and such on the rear camera, and it's made of aluminum. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to thoroughly clean off your rear camera bump on your phone. Then we'll dry it off. Then take your rear camera protector and make sure that all the holes are properly lined up. We'll peel off the back protector. So you should see all the aluminum on the back exposed. And then we'll put this on our phone. And you're all set. So now your rear cameras are protected by the metal piece, and it should be compatible with most cases as well, as long as the case does not cover the camera itself. If the case has a big cutout for your camera bump, this should fit perfectly fine. I do kind of like the matte look of it. It's pretty interesting, and it's definitely more durable than regular tempered glass. And as you can see, it doesn't really come up much off the camera either. And if we take a look at our camera, you can see that there are no obstructions either. Everything's nice and clear and in focus. So that's it for the FLOLAB tempered glass screen protector. I'm really curious to know, what does everybody care about? Do you care most about scratch resistance, drop protection, case compatibility? Let me know in the comments below. And again, if you guys do want to pick this up, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.